Lenders withdrew approximately 1,500 mortgage products from the market in weeks following the outbreak of the Iran conflict.
Absolutely, they did.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. It was chaos. No one knew what was going to happen, did they?
Yeah, I think the problem some lenders have is they're driven by what's going on in the world, what's going on in the economy, and uncertainty creates problems for them because their pricing and the way that they lend money, everyone thinks that bank has an endless pot of money that they can just lend out.
Yeah, of course not.
Yeah, what they fail to understand is actually banks borrow money to lend money. So when there's instability in the market, that drives up their cost, which then they have to have an opportunity to reassess and reprice.
Yeah, I mean, it's dynamic pricing to a degree, isn't it? It's reacting
Yeah, absolutely.
to external influences, and this has had a huge influence across the world.
Yeah, it did. And again, the thing to remember is as much as lenders withdrew products, they very quickly came back to the market. So I can understand why they withdrew because, as I said, they have to reprice. They have to look at their own sort of sensible approach to lending. But they did that and they did it very quickly.
But also that reflects clients and customers, isn't it? You know, people suddenly had a bit of a pause in terms of their expectations and thoughts on buying because no one knew how long this war would happen. We could see the instant effect on fuel prices, therefore cost of living. It made people question whether they wanted to take on this huge liability as well.
The one thing it does indicate is how quickly the mortgage market can move, positively and negatively. And that's why speaking to a broker minimises that risk for you as a client.
Yeah.